This is something new. Well, it's something old, but it's something new for me. This is an Arkansas stone they just finished lapping. And on one side, it's translucent. The other side, for the most part on the other side, it switches back over. Basically is like a surgical black. I've never had one like this before. I gave it a specific gravity test with the dunking method, and it is 2.6488. I wish it would focus on this because I don't know why it won't walk. Okay. This autofocus doesn't know how to cope with things that have no fine details to latch onto. Get some water. Hold on. A cool thing. Anyway. Sorry about the focusing, but this thing is never going to focus on this stone properly, I think. And, yeah. That's about it. That's unfortunate, but the rest is very cool. Focus. Ah, finally. Anyway,